Hi everyone, this week I want to share a piece of advice that my mentor gave me right at the beginning of my career more than a decade ago that's made all the difference, that's been my guiding light and led me to have a life that honestly I could only have dreamed of. If you're here for the first time, this is a weekly series where I share what I'm doing, learning, and dealing with as an emerging artist in the hopes that it'll be helpful to you on your own journey. If that sounds good to you, please do like and subscribe. You can click the link in the card or in the description below to watch the other episodes. So this week I had the opportunity to be a guest speaker at a social media symposium at Holy Angel University in Angeles, Pampanga, and I shared with them this very piece of advice right off the bat. Here's the clip.
His advice was always, forget being famous or having money right away. Because if you pursue experience, then you will always have a lot to share. I think you have to focus on having something to say before building an audience to say something to. And then you will know that what you are giving really has value. And that to the audience, that you're someone they can believe in because you've been there and you want to show people what it's like. The most important thing for you right now, try a lot of things. Don't be so tense. Alam ko maraming sikat na people online who are 21 years old and you think, oh my God, I'm a failure if I'm not famous at 21, 22, 23, 24. But the vast majority of people, we're all just going at our own pace. And it's so important right now, if you don't know yourself that well, if you don't know what you want to do, just try everything you can. Seriously, that's what being young is for. And I'm still trying a lot of things myself.
I really believe that your true currency, your true wealth, the source of everything you do as an artist is from your life experience. Now, that might sound cliche or even obvious, but really, what is the source? Where do you find what to say, what to express, what to share, if not through curiosity and through making the effort to explore both the outer world and your own inner world in all of its beauty, complexity, and even darkness. And you know, if you watch the videos here on my YouTube channel, you'll see that I've been lucky to have some crazy, unique experiences. I didn't pursue those because I was trying to be famous or trying to be cool, definitely not trying to be rich because I've emptied out my bank account many times over pursuing those experiences. But it's just, you know, I just had that curiosity. I needed to know. I needed to do more than just read books. I wanted to see it for myself and feel it for myself. And it's honestly, for me, it's made all the difference. Furthermore, pursuing experience doesn't just mean traveling, going on adventures. Perhaps more essentially, it means taking the initiative for your life. It means as an artist, you're not waiting for somebody else to fund you or give you permission or give you ideas before you create what you want to create. Because honestly, all those things are excuses. And I'll tell you a secret. Most people don't bother. Most people are perfectly content not to make any extra effort, to just go with the flow and take what they've been given. And there is your opportunity. So bother, make the effort, try even if it might not work, especially if it might not work, because that's how discoveries happen. Now I want to share another clip from the talk with you where I discussed this topic.
And that night I had something really, really special. I had the full Milky Way over the summit of Mount Pulag, and it was 4 in the morning and I was all alone, it was cold. And it was just, again, it was one of those things that it's so easy to just sleep in through your whole life. But all you have to do is wake up at 4 a.m. one time and you can get something like this. Imagine if you do that all the time. Imagine the kind of life you'll have if you just bother to do something that's a little harder than what other people are doing.
Alright, thanks for watching guys. That's it for this week. As always, I really encourage you to please share your experience with me in the comments. Tell me about your adventures, or tell me even about the struggle between trying to be practical and pursuing these experiences that you know you need as an artist. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. I just left Holy Angel University, that social media symposium, and honestly, wow. I'm so inspired, I'm so impressed. It's so good to meet people who aren't just like good and really committed to what they do, but they're just good people and they really want to bring some good into the world.
and I feel it's just a solid affirmation of that I should continue. I should pursue this path of being on YouTube. It's just the things you can do with it far outweigh the risks.